Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to explain game theory. Topic name is game theory and it is in operations research subject. Okay, this is my part 1 video. Look here, what is game theory? Now I am going to explain what is game theory. Game theory is a set of tools and techniques. It is a set of tools and techniques for decisions under uncertainty involving two or more intelligent opponents, in which each opponent aspires to optimize his own decision at the expense of the other opponents. Simply, I will explain. In this competitive world, it is necessary to study or guess the activities of his competitor, or we can say opponent. Okay. Um, Moreover, we have to plan what action he will take, and we have to take better action than that opposite person. Okay, and the competitors have to make their own decisions in choosing their alternatives among the predicted outcomes so as to maximize profits or minimizing the loss. For example, there are two persons, player A and player B. Player A uses his own strategy and player B uses his own strategy. To get good results, player A has to guess the strategy of player B, and he has to play his own strategy better than that strategy. Okay, this is because he has to maximize the profits or minimize the loss. He has to use these better decisions to maximize the profits or minimize the loss. Okay, now we are going to learn about properties or characteristics of these games. First one, chance of strategy. If in a game activities are determined by skills, if it is activities are determined by skills, it is said to be game of strategy. Okay, if it is determined by change, it is a game of chance. Okay, in general, a game may involve both game of strategy and game of chance. Okay, now second one is number of persons. A game is called n person game if the number of persons playing in n. Here the person means an individual or a group aiming at a particular objective. Next, third one is number of activities. These may be infinite or finite. Activities may be infinite or finite. Next, fourth one is number of alternatives available to each person. That is, number of choices available to each person in a particular activity may also be finite or infinite. Okay, these are the properties or characteristics. Okay, now we are going to learn terms and terminology used in this game theory. It is important, listen carefully. Okay, first one, player. Each participant is called a player. Okay, second one is strategy. Strategy, it is a course of action taken by a player. It is a course of action, it is an action taken by a player. There are two types of strategies. First one is pure strategy and second one is mixed strategy. Okay, now pure strategy. If a player selects a particular strategy with a probability of 1, then that strategy is known as pure strategy. If a player selects a particular strategy with probability of 1, selects only particular strategy, only one strategy, then it is a pure strategy. For example, probability of player A is 0 and here 1 and 0. This total, by adding this total, we will get 1. So this is a pure strategy. Here, mixed strategy. If a player follows more than one strategy, then it is known as mixed strategy. Means, for example, P of 0.75 and P2, probability of second one is 0.25 and probability of third one is 0. Here these probabilities are less than 0, less than 1. Okay, less than 1, and by adding these all probabilities we will get 1. Okay, this is a mixed strategy. Very simple. If a player selects particularly only one strategy or we can say particular strategy with probability of 1, then that is pure strategy. If a player selects more than one strategy, then it is mixed strategy. Okay, now the third one, terminology in that third one is payoff. Payoff, the outcome of a playing the game is known as payoff. The outcome of a playing game is known as the outcome of playing the game is known as payoff. Okay, next fourth one is payoff matrix, or we can say in this only third one, payoff matrix. This payoff matrix is a table showing outcomes or payoffs of a different strategies of the game. For example, we will write a payoff matrix like this. A13 and so on, A1n, and here A21 like that, and here AN1, AN2, AN3 and so on, AMN, or we can say NM like that, NM, here M. Okay, here these are the player A strategy, player A, and these are the player B. Here M be the number of strategies of player A and N be the number of strategies of player B. Okay, and Pi is the probability of player B of choosing strategy by player A, and Qj is the probability of choosing alternate of player B. Okay, and some of the probabilities of these one should be equal to 1. Okay, this is about payoff matrix. Okay, here if Aij is positive, then it represents a gain to player A and loss to player B. Gain to player A and loss to player B. Okay, if Aij represent negative, then it represents Aij is negative, then it represents loss to player A and gain to player B. Okay, I hope you understood this payoff matrix. Okay, next fourth one, there are two principles, maximin and min-max. Maximin and min-max. Very simple. Maximin, it maximizes the minimum guaranteed gains of player A, or we can say the maximum of minimum gains is called maximin, and this is minimum of maximum losses is called min-max. Okay, it minimizes maximum losses. Maximum of minimum gains, and min-max is minimizes the maximum losses. Okay, this is maximum, min-max. For example, if we have here in this example, this is a payoff matrix. Here first maximum we will find here. In this which one is smallest one? 2, and here 3, here 7. These are the minimum values. From these minimum values, which one is maximum? 7. So this is the maximin. Okay, and here we'll find maximum values 7, 8, 9. In this, which one is minimum? 7 is the minimum. So this is min-max value. I hope you understood this. Very simple. We will find first smallest one, minimum values. Then after, from the minimum values, we will find maximum value, that is maximin. And from first we will find maximum values. From the maximum values, we will find minimum, that is min-max. Okay. Now the next topic is saddle point. This is the main topic. Okay. In a game, if maximin and min-max values are equal, then the game is said to be have a saddle point. If min-max and maximin both the values are same, then we call that game has a saddle point. Okay, if a game has a saddle point, then each player has pure strategy. There I said there are two strategies in that. If game has saddle point, then it has the player has pure strategy. Okay, if there is no saddle point, then the players has mixed strategy. Okay, here in the above example, here we got here maximin is 7 and min max is 7, both are same. So this example, this payoff matrix has saddle point. Okay, means this game has saddle point. So this payoff matrix is in this payoff matrix each player has pure strategy. Okay, now after this we will find value of the game. It is very simple. If the game has saddle point, means it is pure. If it is pure strategy, then the value of the cell at a saddle point is called value of the game. Okay, value of the cell at saddle point is called value of the game. Here in this payoff matrix, value of the game is 7. Value of the game is 7. Okay, next topic is 2-person zero-sum game. In a game with 2 players, if gain of one player is equal to loss of another player, then the game is called 2-person zero-sum game. In a game with 2 players, gain of one player gain is equal to the loss of another player, then the game is called 2-person zero-sum game. Okay, before going to the mixed strategy game, now I want to explain one example on pure strategy. Okay, for example, if we have this payoff matrix 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 3 4. Okay, here first this is a payoff matrix, and here player B and here player A. Here we will find first step is we have to find min max and maximin values. Okay, first here maximin. In this which one is minimum? 4. In this which one is minimum? 7. Here 2. Okay, these are the, in this which one is maximum? 7. So this is the max min. Okay, next from the columns, here which one is maximum? 7. Here 8, here 9. These are the maximum values from the columns, and in these which one is minimum? This 7 is the minimum, so we'll get min max as 7. Okay, here we got min max and max min, both are same. So this problem has saddle point. Okay, if it is having saddle point, then value of the game, very simple, value of the game is at saddle point, what value we got? 7. So value of the game is 7. Okay, and now probabilities. Probabilities of strategies. This of A is C. Player A 0 1 0. So we'll get 0 1 0. And for the player B, we'll get 1 0 0. Okay, 1 0 0. Okay, these are the probabilities of strategies. Here, player A must always select second strategy with probability, whereas player B must select first strategy with probability of 1. Okay, this is a pure strategy example. Now mixed strategy game. Okay, if a game has no saddle point, then it is called mixed strategy game. A mixed strategy can be solved by following methods, that is 2 by 2 game, 2 by m, or n by 2 game, or m cross n, m by n game when both m and n greater than 2. Linear programming, this is arithmetic method, and graphical method, linear programming. In this video we are going to learn arithmetic method, that is 2 cross 2 game. Okay, for example, consider 2 cross 2 payoff matrix with respect to player A. Assume that a game has no saddle point. For example, the game has no saddle point. These are the steps. Okay, very simple. For every problem, first we have to find min max, and then we have to find maximin. If they both are equal, then we can say it is pure strategy, then we can write directly. If they both are not equal, then we will say game has no saddle point. Then we follow these steps. Okay, first, this is the 2 cross 2 matrix. Here find absolute value of C and D and write it against row 1. Absolute value means you have to subtract C minus D and write the value here, and here find the absolute values of A and B, A minus B, and here B minus D, and here A minus C, like this. Okay, very simple. You have to find absolute values and you have to write like this. Very simple. C minus D here, and A minus B here, and B minus D here, A minus C here. Okay, these values are called oddments. What we call? Oddments. We call it as oddments. Okay, next, compute probabilities of alternatives or of player A. Similarly for player B. For player A, P1, P2, and these are Q1, Q2. These are the formulas. No need to remember these all formulas. I will say very simple technique. That is, look here, A, B, C, D. This is a payoff matrix. To find probability of here, probability of P1, P2. Here we will write C minus D, and here A minus B. No? So very simple. First, P1 is equal to C minus D by A minus B mod plus C minus D, like this. And for P2, A minus B by A minus B plus C minus D, like that only Q1, Q2 also. Here we will write B minus D as an augment, B minus D by B minus D plus A minus C. For Q2, A minus C by B minus D plus A minus C. Okay, this is very simple. These are oddments, and after finding oddments we will find probabilities. Okay, after finding probabilities we will find value of the game. This is the formula. These are the formulas. We can use these formula or these or this. Okay, it's very simple. Now I will explain one example so that you can do the problem easily. For example, here there is a payoff matrix 7, 10, 9, 5. This is a payoff matrix. Okay, with respect to player A. Okay, first here player A and here player B. Okay, first step 1 is we have to find min max or maxi min. Very simple. 7, 10, 9, 5. Here we will find row minimum. Row minimum. In this, which one is smallest one? 7. And in this, which one is smallest one? 5. Okay, this is the row minimum. From these two, which one is biggest one? Maximum? 7. So this is max min. Okay, now we will find column maximum. Here for the row we will find minimum values. For the column we will find maximum values. In this, which one is maximum? 9, and here 10. In these maximum values, which one is minimum? 9. So this is the min max. We got min max as 9 and maximum as 7. So min max not equal to max min. Okay, this is here 9 and 7 both are not equal, so min max not equal to maximin. So step 2, if both are not equal, then we say the game has no saddle point. The game has no saddle point. Now the step 3 is we have to find odd mins. Okay, remember, very simple, we have to find odd mins. 7 10 9 5, and here we will find odd mins like this: 9 minus 5, 4, and 7 minus 10 is 3. Okay, if we get negative values, then also we can write positive only. Okay, now 10 minus 5 is 5, and 7 minus 9 is 2. Okay, opposite, by subtracting this side, and we have to write this side. By subtracting this side, we will write this side. Okay, these are the odd mins. Okay, now step 4 is we have to find probabilities. Probabilities of player A is P1 and P2. Very simple, no need to write all the formulas. Here for P1, 4 by 4 plus 3, that is 4 by 7. Okay, for P2, 3 by 3 plus 4, that is 3 by 7. And here also these are the probabilities of player B. And Q1, Q2. Q1 is 5 by 5 plus 2, that is 5 by 7. And Q2 is 2 by 5 plus 2, that is 2 by 7. Okay, we got probabilities as P1 is equal to 4 by 7, P2 is equal to 3 by 7, and Q1 is equal to 5 by 7, and Q2 is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, now the step 5 is we have to find value of the game. As I said already, there are formulas for the value of the game. We can use any formula. Now I am using this first formula. Okay, that is A of C minus D plus C of A minus B by A minus B plus C minus D. Okay, here A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 9, D is equal to 5. These are the values. Okay, now we will substitute these values in this. 7 into 9 minus 5 plus 9 into 7 minus 10 by 7 minus 10 plus 9 minus 5. 7 into 4 plus 9 into 7 minus 10 is 3. Minus 3 will get, but here mod is there, then it will be positive. Here also 3 and here 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 9s are 27 by 7. 28 plus 27 is 40, 55 by 7. This is the value of the game. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.